Well, everyone, this should do it for just about the end of the year. This is the Pocketbook Touch HD 3 limited edition. Shouldn't be anything else coming out for the rest of the year, so this is all that we have left. This is a Red Dot Award winner 2019. This is a 2+1 years warranty and cover inside. Let's check it out. Just gonna open it with you guys on camera to show you this beautiful box. Red Dot Award 2019 once again. 2020 winner would be someone like Supernote, and these guys won last year. How's this coming out? Oh, cool. Okay. So very, very strong cardstock on this box. Very, very strong. Very nice to hold. And little things like that do make a difference when it comes to packaging, and it really shows you that companies take the extra mile. This is a white version, unlike the gray/black version of the usual ones. We'll put this off to the side for now, and we'll explore the rest of the box. So, opening up this, it's a little sitting tray, and it looks like you have these little half-circle tabs everywhere you go to take things off, so that's very nice. And this is the blue case, so you get a case in there. It is a flip open case, you will see right there. We like to keep things all nice and sealed when we do giveaways and whatnot. And we have some more documentation. Let's go ahead and crack this open, because this will be different than the regular Touch HD 3 quick start guide and warranty guide. So this is the warranty information, many pages, and the quick start guide, and do not throw away in the garbage can, properly recycle thing. So you have some information right there, lots of different languages. Hold on to these if you need any questions and whatnot. And you get a USB micro with a USB micro adapter for audio as well. They always nice enough to give you these, and a silica gel to make sure that nothing gets all wet and whatnot. So putting that off to the side, let's check out the unit itself. Here it is. Touch HD 3 comes in this nice little plastic sleeve here, and it looks like it might slide out. No, it does not. The sides open, it looks like. Again, we like to keep these very nicely preserved in case we have to do giveaways and whatnot. So the back is a beautiful white. It is alpine-y with some flake in there. It's very white, super white. And you know what? It's actually so white that you can't even see the little buttons down here. They're almost pretty non-visible. You have the more button, forward, back respectively, and the house button that takes you home, and you have status indicator light built into the power button and the micro USB port on the bottom left. Now this is everything that comes in the box. If you did have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave them down below. For now, this is the Touch HD 3 limited edition, and everything that comes along with it. You do get double the warranty on this, and if you purchase the extended warranty by Good e-Reader, it goes even further than that. For goodereader.com and an unboxing of the Touch HD 3 limited, this is Peter.